Are you planning to sell your iPhone 5 or need to factory reset your iPhone 5 because you forgot your iPhone passcode? In this video, we will introduce you 4 ways to factory reset iPhone 5 with or without passcode. Keep watching. Solution number 1. Factory reset iPhone 5 with password. Factory reset iPhone would erase all of your iPhone data. Before adopting this way, you can back up your data on iTunes or iCloud if necessary. Go to Settings, click General. Click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click Erase All Content Settings button. Click Continue, and enter the passwords to confirm this action. After that, it will remind you to uploading data to iCloud before Erase iPhone. You can finish upload then erase or erase now. Solution number 2. Reset iPhone 5 without password by using iTunes. Launch iTunes on your computer, and connect your computer to your iPhone using a USB cable. Select the device icon in the upper left corner of the iTunes interface. Click on Summary later and press Restore iPhone. To confirm your choice, click the Restore button again. iTunes will wipe your device data and restore your device to factory settings. After restarting your phone, you just need to reset your iPhone. Solution number 3. Reset iPhone 5 without password by using iCloud. In addition, iCloud is also one optimal approach to help you restore your locked iPhone 5 without password. However, this method requires you to enable Find My iPhone option on your iPhone 5 in advance. Enter in and sign in it with your Apple ID. Then choose Find iPhone feature. Select the iPhone to unlock. At last, click Erase iPhone button to make the iPhone come back to the factory settings. Solution number 4. Reset iPhone 5 without password by using Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker is professional iPhone unlocking software which able to unlock iPhone, iPad and iPod touchscreen safely. It offers the most comprehensive unlocking solution, whether it is a 4 or 6-digit password, or Touch or Face ID password. Moreover, it helps you remove Apple ID, bypass MDM on iOS devices with 100% success, bypass screen time passcode without data loss. Now let me show you how to factory reset iPhone 5 with Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. After downloading and installing Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker from the official website, launch it and connect the locked iPhone to the PC. Select the Unlock iOS screen option and click the Start button to continue. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. If you cannot put your iPhone into DFU mode, you can try recovery mode. After you did it, click Next button to proceed. Click Download button, and it start to download and verify the firmware package. After that, click Unlock button, and confirm it. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker will unzip the firmware package, and unlock iPhone. After a few minutes, the unlock will complete.